So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Affective Computing week 3rd assignment 3rd. So the first question is, which type of emotional expression dataset is easiest to collect but suffers from low ecological validity? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says acted or post expressions obtained by asking individuals, often actors, to portray emotions. First is easy to collect. Second is ecological validity of data is a concern. So the answer of our first question is A. And now let's go to our question number 2. In emotion elicitation, which method involves observing film clips or images designed to evoke emotions? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says emotion elicitation. Passive or perception based, individuals observe stimuli such as film clips, images, or music that are designed to evoke particular feelings or methods. So the answer of our second question is B. Passive perception based methods. And now let's go to our question number 3. A key disadvantage of using images for passive elicitation is, so these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says passive methods images. Disadvantages, emotional reactions are short and transient. So the answer of our third question is B. Emotional reactions are short and transient. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which passive method generally includes a neutral baseline clip before emotional clips? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says passive method film clips. For comparison purpose, a neutral baseline film is generally shown prior to the presentation of each emotional clip. Neutral clip 12 second, emotional clip 1 to 2 minute, self-assessment phase. So the answer of our fourth question is C. Film clip based elicitation. And now let's go to our question number 5. Directed facial action tasks are primarily used in. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says directed facial action task Ekman et al. 2007 method for eliciting emotion through the manipulation of facial expressions. So the answer of our fifth question is A. Behavioral manipulation methods. And now let's go to our question number 6. One major advantage of social interaction based elicitation is, so these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says active methods social interaction advantages elicited emotions are more realistic and natural. So the answer of our sixth question is C. Emotions produced are realistic and neutral. And now let's go to our question number 7. Which document is required when submitting a study for IRB review? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says IRB for human research, a copy of the informed consent form. So the answer of our seventh question is D. A copy of the informed consent form. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which of the following is not a criterion for IRB approval? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says criteria for IRB approval. Risks to subject are minimized or reasonable. Selection of subject is equitable. Adequate provisions to protect the privacy of subjects and to maintain the confidentiality of data. So the answer of our eighth question is C. Ensuring participants enjoy the experiment. And now let's go to our question number 9. Tools such as PsychoPy, Open Sesame, and SuperLab fall under which category? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says data collection, PsychoPy, Open Sesame, SuperLab. So the answer of our ninth question is B. Data collection tool. And now let's go to our question number 10. SAM, self-assessment mannequin is primarily used for. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says SAM, the self-assessment mannequin, an efficient cross-cultural measurement of emotional response. First is Journal of Advertising Research. So the answer of our 10th question is D. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friend for watching our video.